today is July 3rd. No, wait, today is July 2nd. And we've got 45 days to get this bus finished. And today, unfortunately, I got caught up with a client. I was only gonna work like 3 or 4 hours, ended up working like 6 hours, so it's not a terribly long day, but then I got home a little later than I expected, so I wasn't really able to work on the bus a whole lot. But I think the goal that we have in mind is, as long as we do something on the bus once per day, at least like some kind of small task, that we will inevitably start chipping away at the list of things that we need to do so we can leave. So today's focus was our bathroom door. We have like a two-fold bathroom door. So our bathroom door is actually like multifunctional, and I'm pretty proud of the design that Emily and I came up with. So this is our pantry, which is right next to our refrigerator, and it holds all of our things, and these shelves are spaced for specific items. Like these are gonna be the storage containers for our dry goods. These are specifically for cans. These are for like macaroni and cheese and some like other dry goods. And this is for some more storage containers. And then I have no idea what's going down there. But these shelves are built specifically for certain things. We wanted a way to be able to close this, but then we also have our bathroom right here. And we needed a door here, so we didn't want to do a sliding door out here. So what we're going to do, and what we're working on, is we have a sliding door that goes in this rail, and when the bathroom is being used, it slides over and closes off the bathroom. But then when we're driving, we can slide it back over, and it'll hold our pantry door shut, so that everything is kind of enclosed there. So the goal today was to make sure that that got painted so that we can install that and get that section finished. And yeah, so Emily painted that, and I played with the kids.
I'll never sing. Take me where the hills are calling, the fields are made green. 'Cause I don't need some big old city, Lord. Tennessee. Sweet Tennessee, home of my loving family.
So as productive as I want to be on a day-to-day basis with this bus, it's not the reality that I live in. We have a 4-month-old, and we also have a 2.5-year-old little boy that is very curious and does not want to stay sitting for longer than 20 minutes. So that changes up our lives with getting this bus finished. So I think the idea is, as long as we get one project done per day and start chipping away at that list, then we will inevitably start destroying that list and be able to have this bus finished. So that's what today looked like. And it's Friday, and we kind of started this little family tradition. I don't even know how it started. Like, we made a fire one day, and long story short, now every Friday we have a bonfire and we roast hot dogs. So that's what the rest of the day is going to consist of. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is coming by. It is definitely happening bit by bit, piece by piece. I mean, if you would have seen this place like a year ago, I think we've made some serious headway. Oh, you guys like the ceiling beams? This is barnwood, rough cut. Emily had this idea. I made it happen. So she's quite the little interior designer, in case you guys didn't know that. Emily is very creative on how she does interior design. She's actually done it for a couple of clients now. She had this vision of how she wanted this bus to work. And when we started this project, I was like, there's no way we can do that. We can't do barn beams instead of a school bus. We can't do floating shelves and tile. And lo and behold, she comes with the ideas. I make it happen. And together we think we can create some pretty awesome stuff. So I'm very proud of Emily. She does a great job. She's making our home quite beautiful, and I'm excited about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm gonna start posting a lot more regularly. Day by day is the goal. So yeah, thanks guys.